Listen carefully. If you are still struggling with money in 2026, it will not be because you are unlucky, it will not be because the economy is bad, and it will not be because opportunities don't exist. It will be because of one thing you keep doing every day, and you don't even realize it's killing your income. Most people think they are working on their future, but in reality, they are just staying busy. If this video makes you uncomfortable, that's good, because comfort is the reason most people never make money. Stay until the end, because one small change after this video can completely change your financial future. Here is the problem. You are busy, but you are not moving forward. You watch videos about making money, you read posts, you plan, you think, but you don't earn. You confuse being busy with making progress. Being busy feels good. It feels like you are doing something important. But money doesn't come from being busy. Money comes from doing the right actions, not more actions. Hard work alone does not make people rich. If it did, the hardest workers in the world would already be rich, but they're not. Now here's the real reason this happens, and most people don't want to admit it. You are not lazy, you are scared. Planning feels safe, learning feels safe, watching videos feels safe. Why? Because no one can judge you when you are preparing, but the moment you start, your work might be bad, you might fail, people might criticize you, and your ego doesn't want that pain. So instead of starting, you keep getting ready. Let me ask you honestly, how long have you been almost ready? Months? Years? Be honest with yourself. Now let me tell you why this habit is especially dangerous in 2026. The world is changing fast. In 2026, money will not go to the hardest workers. It will go to people who learn one useful skill, solve real problems, use tools like AI wisely, take action faster than others. The internet doesn't care about effort. AI doesn't care about motivation. Money only follows value. If your plan is, I'll work harder later, I'll start when I'm ready, I'll learn a bit more first, then you are already falling behind. Someone younger than you, with less experience, is already earning because they started before they felt ready. So what should you do instead? This is where most people make another mistake. If you want money in 2026, stop only consuming and start producing. Stop only watching, start creating. Stop asking, what is the perfect idea? Ask instead, what problem can I solve right now? You don't need to be perfect. You need to be useful. One skill, one platform, one problem. That's enough to start. Clarity does not come before action. Clarity comes after action. Here is the truth, and this is important. Your future income depends on what you do after this video ends. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. So don't save this video. Don't comment nice. Don't wait for motivation. Do one uncomfortable thing today that brings you closer to money. Because if you keep doing the same things, 2026 will not be your year. It will just be another excuse.